You might have made rubric for an assignment of yours, and you may want to reuse them and may not want to recreate everything from scratch. Let's say I want to give essay 4 as an assignment, and in essay 3 right here I already have a rubric made. So you can see that I have this rubric right here, and these are the categories right here for the rubric, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. So let me just go around over here and then utilize this particular rubric, the same rubric that I have right here. So I'm going to go around and click on create over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and choose, let's say, for example, an assignment and say essay 4. So in order to go around and reuse the rubric that I have, I'm simply going to go around over here under rubric, and I'm going to choose reuse rubric over here. So once I do this, you can see that I can simply go around and select out the rubric that I have from the list. In my case, I only have one. So I'm just going to go around and hit the select button right here, just like this, and click on assign right here. So once you do that, what happens is that rubric is assigned onto this particular essay as well, and I didn't have to recreate everything else right here. So you can see the content right here, just like this. You can see the structure and grammar right here. So you can see that these are the rubrics that I have right here, just like this. So that is how you can reuse a rubric inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.